this week. Had lots of work going on internally, externally, with the property, with the groundwork. So outside, been having the groundwork and foundations improved for the new car park that's going in. Indoors, we've had more stud work going on, insulation going on, connecting up more of the first fix of the plumbing. Now we've got the first fix of the rewire going on. Let's go around and have a look. Coming now into the hallway, we've closed off the kitchen area with the stud wall here. Coming through the future corridor area into the future office for Steadfast Construction and Design. Lowered the ceilings in here, closed off the area for the bathroom. The next door's bedroom will have their ensuite coming in here. There'll be a shower, sink, toilet next door. We've supported the ceiling as we're moving the door over through that stud wall over to the side, and then we'll brick up the other side just so the shower can come out to 800mm, so there's enough space for that. Supporting the stud wall as well with these acros. Inserted that lintel there and just waiting for that to set. And there's a similar situation in this bedroom where we've supported up the first skim of the ceiling upstairs, the house, and we'll be looking to knock a door through here so that this bedroom can have their ensuite and kitchen next door. Ensuite area for this studio bedroom in here, which will have its own kitchen with a cooker, hob, extraction fan, fridge as well, and there'll be plenty of space for a bed, desk, wardrobe in there as well. Passing through the hallway now into the next bedroom, so we've closed off the ceiling in here, created the bulkhead as we don't want to go over the existing windows. We want to let plenty of light in here still, so created this bulkhead while at the same time lowering the ceilings so the room can benefit from being more efficient with the heat in here. And then up here you can admire the plumbing work going off to radiators and being able to flow throughout the property. Tried to keep the larger pipes as central as possible throughout the property so that they can tee off where they need to throughout the property, and it just helps the system work more efficiently. Got the manifolds up here, and again they'll be coming down to radiators and the ensuite areas as well. Coming up the stairs onto the first floor, up here we'll find similar amount of stud work completed. Next floor has insulation going in, and actually on this floor we're completing some of the rewire as well throughout the property. In the bedrooms, corridors. So now we've closed off the relevant areas for the en-suites. We can now point out exactly where we want light switches, extractor fans, power for the kitchens as well, for these studios. So here we are, rewire going in. That's a light switch and socket wire here. You won't be able to see much of this rewire at the moment, but this is what the guys are up to at the moment. Second floor now, and just for the benefit of people who haven't followed us previous weeks, looking down we can see the new pitched roof we've created. Last pitched roof wasn't sloped enough, so we've created a new one, installed these Phylix's skylights here for that kitchen and ensuite area for the downstairs bedroom. Working on the driveway, got the second course of brick block work gone up there, just waiting for that to set on the foundations, and then they'll be able to provide lots of support for the new driveway which will be going up. Let's go and have a look around this second floor and up a bit onto the corridor area of the second floor. So we've had to create this corridor for fire health and safety reasons. As you can see, there's insulation going in. It is very impressive up here, but I'll focus mainly on what we've done insulation wise. So 100mm of insulation between the rafters. Had to timber the existing rafters further so we could get the depth we needed for this insulation. So there's plenty of heat being reflected back into these rooms, and it's exactly what you need in this roof space area, as the heat typically escapes upwards, and so we need a lot more protection from the outside elements. Coming up into one of the mezzanine bedroom areas, so we've insulated up here right up to the top. We'll be closing off this area at the back. Most of the heat escapes upwards only, so that's why we've got these Celotex boards here and rock wool down the bottom, as that will help with soundproofing. It's cheaper, and we're not going to find the heat escapes from the side as much as it would from the top, so that's the reason why we got insulation up here. So as you can see, lots of work gone on, and we'll have light switches going on up here, as well as plug sockets as well, so it'll be very versatile and extremely easy and comfortable to live in as we progress on. So really big turnaround in regards to the bedrooms, corridor areas, the loft area as well. We've worked out that we've used about a mile's worth of timber throughout the property, so massive amount of timber going in. Lots of other materials like screws, forever hearing screws being drilled in as well, but we're hearing a lot less of that and more of the chasing going in regarding getting these wires through as well. So really great progress week 8. And of course looking forward to going ahead with week 9, getting more of this driveway completed, getting more of them mezzanine beds completed as well, and ultimately be able to feed through more of that plumbing, more of the wiring as well throughout the property. So this is week 8's update. This is Louis Carter.